In this world, certain people are sad, depressed, and sometimes anxious. Is there a way to reverse this problem? When it comes to food, banana is one of the methods. But how does it give joy to us? Let us discuss this detail by detail. First of all, bananas contain protein around 1.1 grams. Protein is a substance that consists of amino acids. It is one of the 5 building blocks of cell. Diving deeper, there is an amino acid called tryptophan. In 1901, a scientist named
Frederick Hopkins
discovered this amino acid in milk. He tested this experiment from a mice, feeding it without tryptophan. Later, he observed that it is essential for life. Since tryptophan is an amino acid, and amino acids can form to protein, and protein is a substance of banana, therefore banana contains tryptophan. Science-covery fact: most food that has protein are composed of tryptophan. Now we know that banana consists of tryptophan.
What are we going to do with it?
Well, we eat it.
But where will the tryptophan go?
Here comes the second process, or most likely the last part. When the banana is ingested, tryptophan passes in through the blood-brain barrier. In this situation, tryptophan can come in since the blood-brain barrier allows only small molecules to enter inside, including amino acids. After breaking into the barriers, the tryptophan proceeds to the brain tissue, then to the brainstem. In specific, it goes through the Raphe nuclei. Raphe nuclei is a cluster of nuclei which the neurotransmitter called serotonin is produced. Here is where tryptophan gets converted to serotonin.
Why is serotonin important?
It is because serotonin regulates our mood, our behavior, every actions, or even our feelings. The more we have serotonin, the happier we are, but the lesser, the sadder things will be. So that's it. Consuming a banana makes us happy. It contains tryptophan, converts, and adds serotonin, creating an effective outcome. So I suggest you to eat 1 to 2 bananas per day. It carries 300 calories or more. This is my research. Hope you enjoy. Subscribe my video, follow my Facebook page, and see you in the next Science Covery channels.